Alright, welcome back to day 2. Today we're going to talk about factoring a quadratic polynomial using the modified x method, also known as the butterfly. Our language acquisition objective is to explain how to factor polynomials using academic vocabulary in today's focus notes. And our essential question is, how does recognizing patterns in the signs of the terms help you factor polynomials? Okay, so we talked about greatest common factors yesterday. Today we're not going to talk about greatest common factors. We're going to talk about just factoring trinomials when our first leading coefficient is 1. So here's some rules for factoring our quadratic trinomial. This is the butterfly method first, before I get into the sign rules. This is the butterfly method that we're going to be using. Our A term and our B term and our C term all come from this formula right here, the ax squared plus bx plus c. The a, b, and c all get plugged into this formula, and right now you guys are like, I have no idea what to do with that, but hopefully by the end of this lesson you do know what to do with that. So let's talk about sign rules now. So if c, the last term at the end of the trinomial, if it's positive, we look for numbers that add to be our B term. In addition, if our C term is positive, the signs in both of our factors will be the same sign as our B term. So if C is positive, you either have 2 positives or you have 2 negatives. That's the only options that you've got. If B is positive, then they're both going to be positive. If B is negative, then they're both going to be negative. Okay, let's go on to if C is negative. So if C is negative, we look for numbers that subtract to be our B term. In addition, if our C term is negative, the signs in our factors will be different. Meaning one is going to be positive and the other one's going to be negative. Let's get into some examples.